Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Roblox not working issue on iPhone. If Roblox is not working or crashing on your iPhone, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Here are some suggestions. First of all, you have to do is check Roblox system requirements. Ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for running Roblox. You can find this information on the Roblox website or in the App Store. After this, then you have to do is update the Roblox app. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Roblox app installed on your iPhone. You have to go to your App Store, then search your Roblox, tap on it, and see if there is any available update for your Roblox app. If there is, then consider updating the Roblox app to its latest version. If updating doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is update iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to your settings, then tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2.1. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then there will be an internet connection issue. You have to do is simply check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Roblox require a consistent internet connection to function properly. So make sure that you are using Wi-Fi or cellular data. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can do many wonders. You have to go to your general, scroll down, and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if restarting also doesn't work and you're still facing the Roblox crashing or not working issue on your iPhone, then our last step is to reinstall the app. Delete the Roblox app from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. This can help resolve any corrupted files or issues with the app installation. So you have to simply tap and hold on the app, tap on delete app, tap on delete, then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.